Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today I've got a little showcase for you, and the reason I've done that is because you all loved it when I did it for the previous catalogues, and that you asked that I did it each time because you could really see products so much better than from the catalogue, so I thought I would. Now, we have got 6 new punches in the January to June mini catalogue. You would be not wrong by counting up that there are 5. I don't have the 6th, but I do have 5 of them. So I'm going to start with the first one in alphabetical order even, and that is the Bow Punch, and that one goes with Boughs and Blossoms. So this one is, well, actually they're not punching anything out, they are just going alongside it. So it is a bundle, but it's a freestanding punch. It will happily do its own thing. Oh, hello, Sorrel. It's, you know, you don't need to use it with that exclusively. Like I say, it's not punching anything out, it's going alongside it. So that is in our catalogue. If I can move my pens, page 26, and it's over here. So you can see that they are additional. It's not punching anything out, it's working with it. So that's some fussy cutting somebody did there. But yeah, brilliant. Love it. Love a punch, and particularly love a versatile punch that does its own thing, which this one does. Okay, the next one is the Cactus Builder, which is this one here. And that goes with Cactus Cuties. Now, I'm sure that there's somebody very, very clever who is going to do some brilliant punch art with this one, but obviously it does punch out these two, and they are page 66. These few. So that's this one over here. So you're going to punch out the bottoms and everything, but yeah, you can see how it puts together. So I don't really know much about cactuses particularly. I'm sure I probably had some in, you know, my mum probably had some when I was younger. You know, I was born in the 70s, so I suspect she probably did, but I don't really know much about cactuses. So I think when I start working with this, I'm going to have to do a lot of Googling. Honest time there. Okay, so the next one that's in the catalogue is the Cloud Punch. Now, you will be forgiven if you've missed it, because it doesn't actually... It's not part of a bundle. It is simply there on page 19, just tucked here. It's not part of that bundle. It's not part of this bundle. The deer has carried over. That's why I'm not showcasing it. It is just simply there. And I've used it quite a bit already. Obviously, it makes clouds. It goes with the rainbows. It's very good. But what it also does is it goes with our free designer series paper, whose name I've forgotten. What's that stuff called? Sunshine and Rainbows, thank you. Sunshine and Rainbows. And it goes with some of the patterns. I don't know if it's only that sheet or if it's other sheets as well. I think it's just that one sheet, or rather the 4 of it. There are four of this sheet. But yes, it will perfectly punch those out as well. But yeah, it's a freestanding punch. It doesn't go with anything. So like I say, you'll be forgiven if you missed it, because it literally is just there, page 19, just sort of tucked away, just tucked down there. Okay, whoopsie, nearly lost my hedgehogs, because I think they're next, and they, I believe, are, there they are, page 64. So it's the Hedgehog Builder. Happy hedgehogs. I just think that stamp set is gorgeous anyway. Look at the toadstools. I've got toadstools in my garden, illuminated ones. And I have hedgehogs that visit regularly. And I kind of like that these are British stroke European hedgehogs. These aren't... Yeah, I mean, you know, obviously I know what a pygmy hedgehog looks like. That's not what ours look like. Ours, they come in my garden all summer long, from early till late. But very cute that you've got the little punch as well. And you can punch out the eyes. Not that I would, because, you know, I would just draw those on. But very, very sweet. You can add the layers. Look at that, how cute. Oh, that's embossed. That's clever. Somebody's embossed that piece of cardstock first before punching it out. So much fun. Love it. Then we've got the Ladybird punch, which matches this one. Hello Ladybug. Hello Ladybird. Ladybird. It's a Ladybird beetle, technically. But this one, and I have used this. I did use it on a card on a video a couple of weeks back. But yeah, just super sweet. Don't remember what page that one's on. Should we have a look? What page is that one on? Page 20. So right after the clouds, you've got, there's the clouds, there's the Ladybird. So just very sweet. And yeah, I've used it because it's cute. And it's a builder one, so you stamp your body and then you stamp the wings and then you punch the pair of them out and you build it up. Very lovely. But the final one, and I don't have it, there was a time when I probably would have bought every punch because, you know, it's a punch. And that's the Sailboat Builder punch, which is page 70. Down here, and it is a bundle. It's not a stamp set that I would use particularly, and I'm not clever enough with the whole punch thing to come up with punch art, but I'm sure somebody would. Somebody will come up with something clever. I don't know, they'll make those dog ears, or that'll be, I don't know, like I was going to say a golf post, but I don't know what do you call it, where the golf ball goes in on the green, that one of them, a flag marker thing. But somebody clever will come up with stuff like that. But it's not a set for me, but it is good that it comes with a punch if it is a set for you. So that is my punch showcase with my 5 new punches, which I'm a very happy girl about. I love a punch. And yeah, I can see myself using that as a lot on its own. This obviously comes on its own, and I have used it on its own, and these are just going to make really adorable projects. But yeah, those two, I'm predicting they're the ones I'm going to be using most of all. So anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Oh, I've just looked to my left. I'm using this one on Friday's video project. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you soon. Bye.